Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I want to show you how to make this I-cord. For this project you are going to need yarn. In my case I worked with braid cord yarn, but you can use teacher yarn or the yarn you preferred. I used 6mm crochet hook, scissors and a yarn knitter. Now we're going to start making a slip knot. You can adjust the size of this loop pulling the shortest tail. Now change 3. Insert your crochet hook through the middle of this chain, yarn over and go through. Now insert your hook through the last loop, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Okay, now yarn over, go through this first loop, remove carefully your crochet hook, yarn over, yarn over and go through the second loop, remove carefully your crochet hook, yarn over and go through the last loop. Now you have to grab the 3 loops and you have all of them on your crochet hook. Repeat the process again, yarn over, go through the first loop, remove carefully your crochet hook. You have 2 loops on your hook, right? So now yarn over, go through, remove your crochet hook, yarn over, go through. Now grab all your loops. You have 3 loops on your hook. Repeat the process again. And repeat this process over and over again. As many inches you want your I-cord length. So 20 inches or 51 centimeters. Once you reach your length, remove carefully the hook and trim the cord about 5 inches. Now grab your lobster clasp and slide it over the end of your I-cord, sorry. And now you have to seam these ends together. Technique is very easy. So you have to grab your yarn needle, insert your yarn needle into this first stitch from the back to the front. Grab the other end of the I-cord and insert the hook around the back of one of these stitches, pulling through your cord. You are going to repeat this process with the other two loops. You're gonna go from back to front with your yarn needle, and now you're going to insert this yarn needle around the back of the one of this stitch. Okay, now repeat the process. Once you finish this process, you are going to take this little cord tails that we have here and tie together in a double knot, just to make sure they are going to be secure in this place. Okay. Now, move your lobster clasp in position where you want to have it. And then we are going to grab this cord. You're going to make a grab knot. Now, cut the yarn tail and hide the ends. So now you have your I-cord ready. Well, as you can see, you can make the length you want for your I-cord. You just have to repeat the process as many times as you need to achieve the desired length. So you can make it short or you can make it long. That's up to you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you so much for being here.